Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup egg. First, gather your ingredients: 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of water. You'll also need a whisk and a medium-sized pot. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delicious result. Next, let's prepare the base of our soup. Pour 4 cups of your chosen broth into a pot and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. While that's heating, in a separate small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water until it forms a smooth slurry. This mixture will thicken our soup beautifully, giving it that classic consistency. Now for the star of the show, the eggs. In a small bowl, whisk 2 large eggs until they are well combined and slightly frothy. With the broth still at a gentle simmer, slowly drizzle the whisked eggs into the pot in a thin stream. As you pour, gently stir the broth in one direction with a fork or chopsticks to create those beautiful, delicate egg ribbons. This technique is key for the perfect texture. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to our delicious egg drop soup. Season to taste with a pinch of salt, a dash of white pepper, and a few drops of sesame oil for an aromatic finish. Ladle your hot soup into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped green onions. It's ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.